Hey, welcome back. This is chapter 2 of... Today, we're going to learn something really cool, that music is like a language. We will read our first letters, build some words, and even play short musical sentences. Let's get into it. Music has its own alphabet, and it's way shorter than the regular one. It goes like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and we start back at A. This set of notes is known as the A minor scale. Minor just means that the music might be emotional or sad. Let's try and play it up the fretboard. We go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then the A. If you wonder how to read tab or tablature, that's covered in chapter 1. Now here's something important. In music, we move either in whole steps or half steps. A whole step is 2 frets, and a half step is just 1 fret. But watch out, there are only 2 natural half steps in the musical alphabet, and that is between the B and C and the E and F. Everything else is a whole step or 2 frets. You can remember it with a fun phrase like, every friend bakes cookies. That tells you E to F and B to C are the half steps. You want to memorize the first letters of the phrase. So think of it like a pattern. When you move up the string, you always move 2 frets, unless you are between E and F and B and C. Then you just move up 1 fret. Let's try it out on your guitar. Pick a string, like the A string, and go note by note. Play each fret and say the letter out loud as you go. Start slow and pay extra attention to those half steps. You go A, and then from A to B, whole step, but then bakes cookies, that's when we have to pay attention, half step. And then we go C to D, we don't have a CD in our phrase, whole step. D to E, nope, that's not in our phrase, whole step. And then E to F, oh, every friend, that's when we have to pay attention, only 1 fret. And then the rest, F to G is whole, and G to A is another whole step. Now, the way I just played it was horizontal on 1 string. If you are jumping between strings up and down, that would be vertical playing. So which one is better, horizontal or vertical? For beginners, horizontal is better. You just move left or right and don't have any other way to go. It makes things simpler and helps you focus on finding a strong melody. Later, when you're more advanced, vertical playing will help you move faster across the whole fretboard. Both are useful, but today we're focusing on what's best for new songwriters like you. Pro tip: the A minor scale sounds sad. If you want a mood change and make it sound happy, try starting on the C note, like fret 1 on the B string. Now it sounds happy. This is known as the C major scale, a happy scale. Now here comes the fun part, improvising. That means you make up your own music as you go. Try playing the A minor scale again, but this time don't just go up and down. Mix it up. Try jumping around, skipping notes, or repeating a few times. Make up your own short melodies. There's no wrong way, just explore and have fun. If you want to try out jamming for yourself but don't have a band, I have a backing track for you. Grab your guitar and try to jam out on your A minor scale. Can be on the A string, can be anywhere, vertical, horizontal. See what's best for you. Have fun. Nice job today. You just learned the musical alphabet, or the A minor scale, how to play the A minor scale, and how to start improvising your own music. That's a big step. In Chapter 3, we learn everything about rhythm, strumming, and your first chord progression. You can download all 8 chapters of this guide for free as an ebook on my website. Link in the description. And remember, music isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up and playing something real.